How do we innovate? How do we stay ahead? I go to bed at night every night thinking about that, and I wake up the next morning thinking about that. It's kind of interesting. The infrastructure providers typically know infrastructure really well. The SaaS providers typically know software very well. And we set out with a very determined path to kind of merge those two, right? We wanted to be, in a sense, you know, I'm not going to use the word hybrid because you guys will probably throw up if you hear that word one more time. But you know, we were a bit of a tweener, right? You know, we combined really strong software application architecture and design skills with infrastructure design. And that foundational level, the manner in which we provision, we're the only guys out there that don't provision via VM. We provision via this unit of work we call a micro VM through this abstraction. That allows us to do a lot of stuff. That gives us currency and a foundation and base to really innovate. Software provider, service provider program, we make our software available. We license our software to service providers. We do it. We don't do it broadly. We do not do it indiscriminately. If there is something that it can be geographically accretive to us, we partnered with Capgemini in France, with Vodafone in Germany. We'll bring them up as a service. We'll network connect them to our node. So we'll both have a primary and a backup. We'll DR and back up to each other. So it creates an accretive go-to-market, and it sort of minimizes capital to get into new markets. So that's something that we're going to probably open up Asia Pac in the second half of this year with that.